What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hussein. If you're new on my channel, this is my Corvette. And if you guys remember, for those who follow me on Instagram, you remember how I said I got a new sponsor. I got actually two, and one of them I just signed the sponsorship deal. It's 100% sponsored. I got few sponsorships that I got 50% plus off of them, and some of them are fully sponsored. This item right here, and it's fully sponsored 100%. And I said it's gonna get here in 3 to 4 days on my Instagram story if you guys follow me. Without further ado, and I'll explain why. First of all, before I show you guys, everybody I've seen online has been getting this, and I'm like, you know what? That's not a bad idea to try it out. And even if I got like a little bit of a deal with them, I might just give it a shot. But without further ado, that's right, baby. I got custom interior leather seats, not seats, I'm sorry, seat covers to protect my mint condition seats. Look at this. There is absolutely, my seats are like brand new. I got the car a little over 30,000 miles over 3 years ago. Now I have 68,000 miles on it, and my seats are absolutely brand new, no rips. Literally brand new, and the foam is like still really great on it. So with that being said, I'm like, you know what, everybody's been getting these and I'm gonna give it a shot. I always wanted kind of red seats, not really. I like the black interior, but I got them all red, by the way, because you guys will see I'm obviously gonna change the wrap next. This is just to keep me a little bit cool. Sorry if it's making a lot of noise in the wind outside, because it's Arizona, it's hot outside, it's like 100 right now, it's Saturday. I went ahead, you see these, I went ahead and cleaned my seats right here, just a little bit of water and a towel, and I scrubbed the seat, so they're already clean. I might go over them one more time, but these are the seat covers. It's literally just a cover, and it's a premium real leather. Shout out to Kustom Interior. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it. It's red. It's gonna match with the next wrap color I'm gonna do. It might, maybe when I open the door it will match with the red, because I got the door jambs are not wrapped and under the hood. But it's gonna be perfect. Even if I wanna move the wrap and I don't really wrap it, it will still be red on red, which will match and it will be sick. But the next wrap, it's gonna make all sense. So without further ado, I think I'm gonna go on them one more time. You can just put a little bit of scrub pad, just like a cleaner, any cleaner, like conditioner or a cleaner, to how you clean your interior. Make sure you clean it really good, because once these are on, they're on, baby. They're not coming off for a long time. Go ahead and unbox it. I'm really excited. Okay, before I unbox it, hold on. I don't want to do this to you guys. Let me unbox it and I will say why I got those. Because, woohoo, exciting stuff, huh? When you get a new parts. Oh my God. I can tell this is already quality. Wow. I don't know if I'm gonna finish installing them today, but OMG. They're right here. I'm gonna make an Instagram story real quick. But why I got them, because I'm at this point, I'm like, okay, my seats are really clean. And I only owned the car for 3 years. I'm like, in 3 years from now, they might gonna start wear out a little, whatever. I'm at this point, am I gonna rebuild them? Because I love the stock seats. I wanna keep the stock seats. Everybody changes them. They're so comfortable for road trips and for my use and what I do. And I'm like, okay, what can I do here? Rebuilding them costs a lot of money. My friend did his. It's $1,000 each. You take it out the car, you take it to the upholstery place, and they get you the foam and everything. It's $1,000, and you come and install it each. That's $2 grand. Why would you pay that when you can get something like this for I think it was like $400 or $500 shipped to your house, and you install it for 1/3 or quarter of the price as rebuilding the seats. You guys, well, I took them out, and that's the only thing that's in the box. There's nothing else in the box. I'm sorry for this, because it's just kind of cooling me down. They're right here, and they already look quality, baby. They make those for C5, C6, C7s, and C8s. I had like, I was really skeptical about the seats, you know, from, you know, I had Walmart seats and like regular cars, not on my Corvette, and they were garbage. So, oh my God, dude, look at this. Look how thick is this. And this is an actual leather. And I love leather seats. I love suede seats too, and suede interiors, but this is, let me see, by the way, I'm doing this with one hand. OMG, how good are these? Shout out to Kustom Interior. Okay, so they're 2 pieces, cool. All right, let me grab it. Here we go. So this is just supposed to be straightforward. All right. Gotta be patient. Okay, there we go. Okay, just gonna pull. Obviously it's a little tight, that's normal. Well, alright you guys, I took the seat out and I'm glad I did, because I got to clean under the seat, although it's not really dirty. I cleaned a little, and I wiped all of the tracks here. They were really dusty that I couldn't get to, and I just honestly couldn't get to it really. So bam, this one, it's gonna be right here. This one, gonna be right there. And I'm still wiping it down, cleaning it up, you know. So with that being said, I'm not gonna do a video, obviously. I will just show you when I install it how to put it back. But yeah, I'm still cleaning up a little, and I will get back to you guys. I just wanted to say I had to take the seat out. I couldn't reach underneath, and you probably will have to do that. It's only 4 bolts and 3. You can disconnect these wires. 1, 2, oh, I guess there's 2. And that's it. It's really simple. It takes 10 minutes to take the seat out, to be honest with you. But to disconnect the clips is a little bit harder. Be careful, don't break them. Alright you guys, so I had to take the seat out, as you guys know, and I finally got it down. So these things gonna have to, that's how you're gonna do them. You're gonna cross them just so they don't move. You're gonna just feed them through between the 2 seats. And yeah, that's how it's supposed to look like. Man, and the leather quality is so good. It's like an actual real seat, which is awesome. Flip it and show you guys what's the under there looks like. So you're gonna connect these. This just gonna connect it here. This is just for assurance, so it doesn't pull or move. You're gonna connect the other one right there as well, and you're gonna connect this one here and this one over here. There we go. I like to put them just at the far corners as I can, and that's it. Oh, I gotta put this together. One sec. Excuse me, because it is really hot, but put the seat back. That's how it looks. So sick, hey? Then 2 bolts here. You're gonna go ahead and this nut and this nut, tightening them down. I'm not gonna show that. It's very simple. And the same 2 bolts here. I connected these clips, and when I'm gonna put the clip back on the cover, I will show you. So let me get to that. So you're gonna you put the nut, you tighten it down, obviously. Come on, camera focus. And you've got the slot here, gonna match with the slot here, right? Then you're just gonna, hold on, get your clip here, push this down, and make sure you push it down from the front, like up. You will feel it out, just to line it up. Could be a little tricky. Okay, there we go. Then you're gonna get your clip, put it here, and you're gonna hammer it. I hammered a little bit, just tick tick, hammered it down. All right, finally it's in right there. Sorry about the lighting. What I did, I just put it and I moved my hand and I hit it 1 hit and it got in. So there we go, the seats are in, everything is in. Let me take everything out. Look how good that looks. And it's the same thing on the opposite side. So let me finish the opposite side and I will come back to you guys. Well, alright you guys, that's how it looks. The final look, bro. Like, these look so good, and it makes the car smells like new. It protects the car, it makes it look cooler. There are so many cool benefits about this, you know. And obviously a little bit of mess here, me installing this cleaning stuff, but I put my shirt back here just so, you know, support the popo when I get pulled over. But you guys, how cool these look. Oh my god. I mean, this is gonna be nighttime right now. I might not end the vlog just because I want to pull the car out in the sun and get you guys a full look. But I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it here, and because it's getting dark outside, it might not look like it, but it's like 7:30. So within like 25 minutes it will be dark. But OMG. I will maybe give you guys a look at nighttime since I'm going to the car meet tonight. So hang on a little bit. We're at a car meet, and check this out. Here's the seats, not the best lighting, but they look so sick at nighttime. Hold on, let me put my flash on. You guys, red guts, you cannot go wrong with that. Look, custom interior. I'm gonna put the link in the description on my YouTube channel. KUSTOM_interior. Head them up, let them know I sent you guys, and they will take care of you. They're awesome. I literally love it. On the drive here, it feels awesome. So I will get you guys, people are crazy at the meet. I will film at the daylight. What is it like? Again. Well, alright you guys, this is the next day. Again, here is another look. After in them yesterday, I can tell you that I already like them. Like, oh, too bright, hold on. Let me adjust it. Whoop. You always gotta adjust the settings for the brightness. You guys, custom interior, shout out to them. I really like them. Like, I literally, sometimes, you know, like, I can say, if I don't like the item, I can say, okay, I'm gonna use it for a little and either change it or switch it or just ditch it out in the future. But I'm keeping these for a long time. I give it the green light. You guys can go ahead and go get it. And yeah, man, I love them. Like, I don't know, it's really, I did like my stock seats feeling, the leather, and how it's how like it when I sat in it. These, you don't slip, they feel great, it's quality, it doesn't slip, and it's very similar to my stock seats feeling leather. So I like it. 2 thumbs ups for me. And that's it, you guys. That's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I got many more parts on this build. We're not done yet. And drop a thumbs up, comment below, tell me what you think, and tell me if you're gonna get one. I'm gonna put their IG and their website in the description below. Thank you so much for sponsoring this item right here on my Corvette. And yeah, you guys, it's gonna look so sick with the next color coming. I'm glad I went with red. That's it. That's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.